Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Mathematics. Today we are going to discuss about the prime numbers. Prime number topic is very helpful from class 4 to class 10, also for competitive exams like scholarship, IMO, MTSE. So go through the entire video which will be helpful to clear your concepts about prime numbers.
The numbers about whole numbers and natural numbers in one video. Link is given in description. Please check it out. In numbers, again there are the types, that is even number, odd numbers, prime numbers and composite numbers. Then let's continue with even numbers. What is meaning of the even number? Even numbers means numbers that can be divided exactly by 2 or all multiples of 2 are called even numbers. Means what? All multiples of 2 means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, like this. Means any number multiply by 2, then we are getting multiples. And numbers that can be divided exactly. What is meaning of exactly divided? Suppose any number given, that is suppose given 36, then 36 divided by 2, solve it. 36 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2, 3 minus 2 1, 6 and 2 8s are 16, 16 minus 16, answer is 0, means remainder is 0. Then when remainder is 0, that is meaning exactly divisible by 2. One divisibility test we will continue with next video. Then wait for next video, then see what is meaning of even numbers, understand, then see the next odd numbers. What is meaning of the odd numbers? Exact opposite, that is the numbers that cannot be divided exactly by 2. Cannot be divided exactly by 2 means after division remainder will be there, that could be 1 2 3 and so on, not 1 2 3 it is 1 only. Why 1 only? Because when we are dividing by 2, remainder will be 3, not possible na? 3 again divisible by 2. Okay, then see all other numbers which are not multiples of 2 are called odd numbers. All other numbers which are not multiplies of 2 means that are 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Okay, see which one? That is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on. Okay, cleared even numbers and odd numbers. Then see the next some very important sentences which we always asked in competitive exams like scholarship, IMO. Sometimes examples given, sometimes this as it is sentences asked for true or false. So be careful while reading these sentences. See what is the first sentence? The sum of two even numbers is always an even number. The sum of two even numbers, sum means addition, we know sum means addition of two even numbers is always an even number. Means what? See the examples. First example, see 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Here 2 and 6 are even numbers and answer after addition we got means sum is 8, that is also even number. And in second example, see 12 and 18 also even number and sum is 30. 30 also even number, means sum of two even numbers is always an even number. Okay, see the second important sentence. What is the second important sentence? The sum of two odd number, now here see two odd numbers asked, is always an even number. After addition of two odd numbers we are getting answer, means sum as a even number. See here 3 and 5 are odd numbers but 8 is an even number. Like this 15 and 29 are odd numbers and 44 is even number. Okay, then see the next important sentence. What is the next important sentence? The sum or difference of an odd number and even number is always an odd number. Sum or difference means addition or subtraction of an odd number and even number is always an odd number. See the examples. First example, see 15 plus 4 means after addition sum we have checked of an odd number. 15 is odd number, 4 is even number, and 15 plus 4 19 is odd number. Like this 15 is odd number, 4 is even number, and 15 minus 4 11 is again odd number. Okay, then see the next sentence. See what is the next sentence. The product of two even numbers is always an even number. The product of two even numbers is always an even number. Means any two even numbers when we multiply, product means multiplicand into multiplier is equal to product. Then see 6 is even number, 8 is even number, and product of 48 is also even number. 12 is even number, sorry here 12 8 is 96 is an also even number. Printing mistake is there. 12 8 is 96 is also an even number. Okay, then see the next example. Next important sentence. The product of two odd number is always an odd number. Product of two odd numbers is always an odd number. Then see which are these examples. 17 into 19 is equal to 323. 17 is odd number, 19 is odd number, and 323 is also odd number. Like this 11 and 15 are odd number, and product is also, that is 165 is also odd number. And then see the next important sentence. The product of an odd number and an even number. See here, product of an one odd number and one even number is always an even number. Means what? See example. 13 is odd number, 4 is even number, and 13 4s are 52 means product is an even number. 33 is odd number, 8 is even number, and 264 is also which number? Yes, even number. Means the product of an odd number and even number is always an even number. Cleared? Don't forget these important sentences. Then see, multiples of an even number are always even. Multiples of an even numbers are always even. See the examples. First example. What is the first example? See, 8 into 3 means multiples of even number. Means what? 8 is a even number, it's a multiple. Multiple means 8's table we are seeing. I will make one video specially for multiples, and there I will clear that concept of multiples. See here, 8 3s are 24 means 8 multiple is also even number. 12 is even number, it's 12 5s means multiple 5 times. Multiple is 16, that also even number. And exact opposite, see, multiples of odd numbers are also always even numbers. Don't get confusion here. Multiples of even number and multiples of odd numbers are always even, but when odd number multiply by even number, means 2 4 6 8, these are the even numbers. When any odd number like 7 or 11 multiplied by 4 and 6 means again even numbers, then which answer we are getting? Means product, that is also even. That is also even. But when odd number multiply with even number, then only. Okay. Then see, if multiplies of odd numbers are always, what will come for if number multiply, means odd number multiplied by odd number only. Now only sentence we have discussed, but only difference is there that sentence is reworded. See here, multiples of odd number are always odd for when we multiply that number with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, means again multiply by which numbers? Again odd numbers only. Okay, again odd numbers only. Cleared? See, multiples of odd numbers are always odd for 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, means odd number multiply by odd number, answer we are getting odd number only. Like 11 into 3 33, 17 into 9 it's 153. Then next, consecutive even numbers as well as consecutive odd numbers go on increasing by 2. What is meaning of consecutive? You know, consecutive means continuously, means 2 after which is even number. Consecutive even number asked, not only consecutive numbers, means not asked here 2, 3, 4 like this. Then how asked? Consecutive even numbers. Then consecutive even numbers means 2, 4, 6 like this, and difference between these two is 2 only. Like this in odd numbers, suppose 1, 3, 5 given, difference is 2 only. See here some examples given. See first example, 564, 566, 568, 570. Check the difference between the two numbers. See here, difference is 2 only. Like this in odd number, that is 131, 133, 135, 137, that is also 2. Means consecutive even numbers or consecutive odd numbers go on increasing by 2. Okay, and this is basic concept, and this sentence also important for algebraic expression. There when we have to make algebraic expression, sometimes questions give us like this. That time we should know by how much consecutive even or odd numbers are increasing or decreasing. Okay, and now see very important topic, that is prime numbers. What is meaning of prime numbers? Prime numbers means a number having only two distinct factors. Which two distinct factors? 1 and that number itself. Then that number is called a prime number. When that number has only 1 and that number itself, these are the factors, then these number are called a prime number. Okay, and then see here numbers written 1 to 100. In between these numbers, we have to do one thing. What is the thing? See, we have to cross out multiples. Means what? See, 2's table we have to check. Then before checking 2, we have to encircle. After encircling 2, cross out the numbers which are coming in table of 2, that is 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Okay, then now next table is 3s. Then encircle the 3 and cross out the multiples of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. See now 6 already crossed, then not necessary again to cross, means double cross not necessary. Once crossed, then let it be. Then go to the next, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. Like this. Now see again 4's table we have to tell, but 4 already crossed, then cross out remaining multiples of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24. up to 24 already numbers crossed, so let it be. Then continue with 4 sevens are 28, 4 nines are 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. Like this same method we have to continue with 100. Up to 100 we have to cross out the multiples of all numbers, and which numbers we are encircled and which cross out, that we have to differentiate. Then see which numbers we encircled, these are the prime numbers, and which cross out, that are the composite numbers. But why we are following this method? This method is given by a Greek mathematician Eratosthenes in 3rd century to find prime numbers and to between 1 to 100. This method is useful to find the prime numbers between 1 to 100. Then see this method given by Eratosthenes. So this method is also called a sieve of Eratosthenes or sieve method. What is meaning of sieve? You know your mother sieves flour while making roti. Similarly, this method given by Eratosthenes. Okay. Then see this method is useful for 1 to 100 to find the prime and composite numbers. Then see in between 1 to 100 how many prime numbers we got? See prime numbers from, and here differentiated, I have differentiated up to 97 means 1 to 100, but accordingly see 1 to 10 how many prime numbers are here? 1 to 10 2 3 5 7, 11 to 20 11 13 17 19, 21 to 30 23 29, 31 to 40 31 37, 41 to 50 41 43 and 47, 51 to 60 53 59, 61 to 70 61 and 67, 71 to 80 71 73 79, 81 to 90 83 and 89, and 91 to 100 only one prime number is there, that is 97. Okay. Then see total how many prime numbers are there in between 1 to 100? Total 24 prime numbers are there between 1 to 100. Okay. Remember this number also 24. So many times question asked in scholarship exam. How many prime numbers are there in between 1 to 100? That are the 24. Okay. Then how many composite numbers are there in between 1 to 100? Remaining all are composite numbers. That is how many composite numbers? See here written all composite numbers, and total composite numbers between 1 to 100 are 74. How many composite numbers are there? 74. But see when you are checking in prime numbers or in composite numbers, one number is missing. Which is that number? Send in comment. Which is that number? That is 1. Why 1 then not crossed also or not encircled also? Because 1 is neither a prime number or nor a composite number. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So this question also asked a very important. And next important sentence is 2 is the smallest prime number which is even. So many times this question also asked smallest prime number which is even, or even smallest prime number. Which is even smallest prime number? 2. And except 2 remaining all prime numbers are odd. Except 2 remaining all prime numbers are odd numbers. Okay. Then see next point. Next is the co-prime numbers. What is meaning of co-prime numbers? When any two numbers are said to co-prime when they do not have a common factor other than 1. Except 1, there should not be any common factor. Then the numbers are called a common co-prime numbers. Example C, 2 3, second example 3 4, 4 7, 8 and 15. See here, but some numbers you are seeing that these are the composite numbers, but here not talked about the composite or prime. Co-prime numbers means only what its meaning, the common factor in between these two is only 1, except 1 another common factor is not there. Check 3's factors. 3 ones are 3 means 1 and 3 are the factor of 3, and in 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2 means 4's factor are 2, 2 and 1, and in between 3 and 4 only 1 is common factor. So 3 and 4 are the co-prime numbers. Then see, in co-prime numbers need not be prime numbers themselves. Prime numbers themselves means, in fourth example if you observed, 8 and 15 both are the composite numbers when you are looking it separately, but when we are finding its factors 8 and 15, then only we are getting 1 is common factor. So these are the co-prime numbers. Okay, and then see the next. After co-prime number, important sentence, any two prime numbers are always co-prime. Any two prime numbers means, examples given, 2 and 3, 7 and 13. These two are the prime numbers. 2 are prime numbers, and always any two prime numbers are co-prime also. Always two prime numbers are co-prime also. Then two co-prime numbers need not be both prime numbers means one composite number also will be there. It is possible composite number like 4 and 9 will be there, but another in that pair another number is prime number only. Okay, then see the next point, that is twin prime numbers. What is meaning of twin? You know twin means, so many times you heard in daily life twin meaning. The twin prime numbers means what then? Two prime numbers when difference between them is 2. Difference of two prime number is 2, then that numbers are called twin prime numbers. See example given here, 5 and 3. 5 and 3 means, in between 3 and 5 difference is 5 minus 3 means 2. So this is twin prime numbers. Like this, in between 1 to 100. Next example see, 5 3 is first example, second example is 5 7, third example is 11 13, next example is 17 19, next example is 29 31, next example is 41 43, then next example is 59 61, and last 71 to 73. I am talking about only 1 to 100. In between 1 to 100 only these 8 pairs we are getting. How many pairs? Only 8 pairs we are getting for twin prime numbers. How many pairs? Only 8 pairs of twin prime numbers are there between 1 to 100. Okay, then see the next point, prime triplet. What is meaning of the prime triplet? A set of 3 consecutive numbers, prime numbers, set of 3 consecutive prime numbers differing by 2. Difference between these 3 prime numbers means in between that 2 prime numbers difference is 2, and you will surprised that in between 1 to 100 only one prime triplet is there, that is 3 5 7. Only one prime triplet is there, 3 5 and 7. Okay, then see the next, Goldbach's conjecture. What is Goldbach conductor? A famous mathematician, Goldbach, gave a rule for which he could not provide a proof, but till today no one contradict the rule. Contradict means cross out. No one cross out that rule. What is the rule? Every even number greater than 4 can be expressed as the sum of two odd prime numbers. What is the meaning? Every even number greater than 4, any even number take which will be greater than 4, suppose 18, then 18 is equal to, we can express this number as the sum of two odd prime numbers, means addition of two prime numbers, we are getting one even number. Like this second example, see, 36 is equal to 13 plus 23. 13 plus 23. Like this. Next example, see, 126 is equal to 59 plus 67. Okay. Then see, next point. I am getting confusion. Is 191, 295 a prime number? See, because up to now this moment we have discussed about 1 to 100 by Eratosthenes sieve method, how to cross out and how to encircle the numbers which are prime, which are composite, and one remain one that not be prime, neither prime nor composite. Then more than 100, how to decide these numbers are prime or composite? Check it out. See, how to find then? Below 500, below 200, which numbers are there? That given number we have to check it is exactly divisible by prime numbers. Which prime numbers? Less than 15. Less than 15, which prime numbers are there? See, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. These only prime numbers, means it's easy na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 prime numbers we have to check 191 is divisible or not. Then let's check. Then how to check? Each and every time have to divide? No, it is not possible. 191 divided by 2, 191 divided by 3, it's time consuming method, and at the exam time it is not possible, especially for competitive exam. Then what have to do? We have to check out divisibility test. For divisibility test I will make one video and I will upload it soon. Then see, 191 is divisible by which number? See, how to check? It is divisible by 2. 191, no, because ones place odd number is there. By 3, check, 1 plus 9, 10 plus 1, 11, and 11 is not divisible by 3, means 191 is not divisible by 3. 5, no, because at ones place, means according to divisibility test I am explaining here. So see carefully, ones place 0 or 5 is not there, means it is not divisible by 5. 7, no, it is not divisible by 7. 11, no. 30, no. All these numbers used and we checked, then 191 is not completely divisible, means 191 is a prime number. We confirmed it. Now we can tell 191 is a prime number. Okay, then what about 295? 295, check it out and send in comment section. 295 or 283. Second example, or have to check. Okay, second example we will check. 283. 283. 283, it is now greater than 200. Then here rule given that finding prime numbers between 100 and 200, we have to use prime numbers less than 15. But 283 is greater than 200. Then what we have to do? We have to check out prime numbers less than 20. Prime numbers less than 20 means which numbers? See, we have to add 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19, and these will be used up to 400, and we can check given number is prime or not. Then let's check 283 is prime or not. 1 plus 3 means it is not divisible by 2. 8 plus 3, 11 plus 2, 13 means not divisible by 3. 1 plus 3 means not divisible by 5. 7 no. 11 no. 13 no. 17 no. 19 no, means 283 is a prime number. Then you check it out that 295 is a prime number or not, and send in comment section. Okay.
Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Do recommend this channel to your friends and relatives.